Did you know that the average app loses 77% of new users within 3 days of install? But why? After onboarding, many users don't get to experience your app's value proposition. It's time to activate and retain more of those people you worked so hard to help discover your app. So how can you help people understand your app's value? This understanding comes at the user's aha moment. The moment they use your app's core action and realize how it adds value to their life. The first like they get on a picture of a beautiful sunset, or catching a quick, safe ride, breaking a sweat, or devouring that burger. Here are 4 easy steps you can follow to get people to the aha moment. Step 1. Prioritize your app's core action. Start by identifying your app's core action and highlight the user's shortest path to that moment. One way to identify the right core action is to correlate the actions taken by people in your app to the retention curves. And don't bury the lead. If a feature gets in between your user and their aha moment, don't reveal it immediately. Successful apps streamline the user experience to help people appreciate the app's value first. Then grow engagement and loyalty by exposing other features later. Step number 2, create a core action habit loop. Activation isn't a one-time thing. Move people from onboarding to activated and committed by reinforcing the core action habit loop. For an effective habit loop, each step in your app should be an inevitable consequence of the step that came before. It's important to identify and tap into your users' natural triggers. This will incentivize them to complete your app's core action more often. Be brave. Remove obstacles or temporarily mute features that come between people and their core action. Don't forget to revisit your core action loop to see if the inevitable consequence test holds true. Can the loop be improved? Are there still untapped opportunities to get people around the loop faster or more often? Or to increase your network effects? Step number 3, help your users set goals. Goals are a great way to introduce engaging features that help form habits in new users. People's short-term goals are what can be completed quickly, like completing a Spanish lesson, while long-term goals take time, like holding a conversation in Spanish. Form long-term goals around things within the user's reach that can be achieved with sustained effort over time. Of course, the race never ends. Reward and notify completion of your users' goals, and once they reach them, introduce new ones. Step number 4, embrace different types of commitment. Committed users are your app's most loyal users and are valuable to you in many ways, not just monetary. They might be social enablers who initiate conversations and contribute to the network effects of your app. They could be sellers, content creators, or fans and early adopters who can provide valuable feedback. It's imperative to build a robust community of committed users. Start by defining what committed users are for your app. Then analyze their behavior to discover what motivates them. Once you know who they are and what they like, design features that retain committed users and continue to create new ones. So, for successful activation and commitment, prioritize your app's core action. Create a core action habit loop. Help your users set goals. Embrace different types of commitment. Dive deeper into the Google Play resources on unlocking your app's potential. Check out the links in the video description. Stay tuned for our next video, and let's grow together!